I am Gayatri, working as Assistant Professor in EC Department at SNS College of Technology. Today I am going to discuss about the topic conductors in static electric field, the current density and their Ohm's law related to the conductors, which was studied in the unit 2 electrostatic field in conductors and dielectric by the second year students in the subject electromagnetic fields and waves. Before going to the topic for discussion, we have to know about the conductors, dielectrics and insulators. The conductors nothing but it will be allow the free electron will be passing through our electric field, where dielectric does not allow the free electron will be flowing through this. The conductors and dielectric will be related with the help of conductivity. In the conductivity, the conductors will be having infinite, and whereas in dielectric there will be a zero conductivity. And coming to the topic for discussion, we have to discuss about the behaviors of conductors in electric field and what are the electric field and potential related to the electric field inside the conductor, and what is the surface charge distribution present in the conductors and electrostatic shielding for the conductors. And in the charge distribution, there will be three types: line charge, surface charge and volume charge. And the volume charge will be 0 for the conductors and surface charge will be present for the conductors. And coming to the empathy part for the conductors in electrostatic field, in the conductors we have to achieve the electrostatic equilibrium condition. The equilibrium condition will be attained when, for example, when we are taking one hall, there will be a peoples are inside the hall. Inside the hall will be filled out and filled out by the people until the space is balanced. When in an open pipe, the water will be flowing. When the pipe is closed, then the water will be stopped, and lightning protection will be also be maintained in the equilibrium conditions. And coming to the empathy part, defined part of the conductors in static electric field. In the static, the conductors, it is nothing but it contains a large amount of free electrons, and it will allow the free electron will be passing through the static electric field. In one of the main point in the conductors is that when there is a charge in the conductors, the charges will be reside on the surface of the conducting metal body, and it will be redistributed. When it is placed in a static electric field, the charges will be redistributed themselves, and at equilibrium conditions in the electrostatic field, the electric field inside the conductor will be 0, and there will be maintaining the static electric field, and also the electric potential will be constant throughout our conductors, and there will be a surface charge distribution will be on the conductors. And the main point of the conductor is nothing but it will be having charges, free electrons. When there is a free electron, there will be a charges. When charges, there will be a forces, and forces which will be related with the help of electric field. The electric field, which is nothing but it is related with the help of potential by the formula E vector, which is equal to minus del V. And coming to the key properties of the conductors, it will be having a charge density. The volume charge and surface charge density will be lie between the conductors, and the electric field, when there is electric field inside the conductor, will be 0. When electric field is 0, automatically the flux density will be 0, D vector, which is equal to epsilon E vector. And coming to charge density, volume charge density will be inside the conductor will be 0, and surface charge density may be varying. And conductor, it will be behaving as a equipotential body in an electrostatic field. And coming to the ideate part of the electromagnetic field properties, electric field which will be always normal to the surface, and the component which is tangential and normal component, and the tangential component will be 0 in an electric field, and the field outside the conductor will be depends upon the surface charge density. And coming to the applications of electrostatic shielding, it will be used for Faraday caging, equipment shielding, EMI and EMC production, lightning production, and capacitor plates will be used for electrostatic shielding. And coming to the summary part of the discussion, what we have made, we have discussed about the boundary condition. The tangential component of the electric field will be 0, and application we have listed, and electric potential it will be same throughout the surface on the conductor, and electric field also be 0 inside the conductor, and flux density also be 0 related to the conductors. And these are the references we have taken for the topic conductors in electrostatic field. Thank you for the discussion.